Good morning everyone. So in today's session we are going to learn about magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. Okay. So magnetic dipole moment is represented by the letter capital M. So now we are trying to find magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. So let us consider an electron having a charge of small e is revolving in a circular path having radius r. Okay. So now we try to find the magnetic dipole moment of this revolving electron. So whenever this electron is revolving in a circular path, that constitutes some electric current. So that current is given by I is equal to Q by T. So that is rate of flow of charge. So the charge of electron Q is represented by small e, and time taken to complete one rotation or one revolution is 2 pi r by v. Okay, so taking v to the numerator, you will get I is equal to EV by 2 pi r. Okay, so then magnetic moment, in the previous topic we have learned magnetic moment of an electron is given by NIA. Okay, so in last class we learned that magnetic moment is equal to NIA. While finding the equation for magnetic field induction at a point on the axial line of a circular coil, we have derived this equation. So here N stands for number of turns, electric current and area of cross section. So here N is taken as 1 because we are considering only one revolution. Okay. So substitute I is equal to EV by 2 pi r into area of the circular path is pi r square. So pi r gets cancelled. You will get M is equal to EVR by 2. So E stands for charge of electron, V stands for velocity of that electron, R is the radius of circular path along which it is revolving. So magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron around a circular orbit, M is equal to EVR by 2. Okay. Next, if we assume this electron is revolving in first orbit of hydrogen atom of Bohr's atomic model. Okay, then according to second postulate of Bohr, we have angular momentum of that electron is equal to MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. Okay, so from that we are taking VR value as VR is equal to NH by 2 pi m, where N stands for first orbital. So therefore VR is equal to H by 2 pi m. Now substituting this VR in the above equation, we will get M is equal to EH by 4 pi m. Okay, substituting this H by 2 pi m in the place of VR, you will be getting EH by 4 pi m. Now taking the charge of electron as 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, H as 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 by 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So after simplifying this value, you will be getting 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. So that means magnetic dipole moment of electron is represented with ampere meter square. So therefore capital M is equal to 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. So this is called as Bohr magneton. So you will have a question, define Bohr magneton and write its value or write its SI unit. Okay. So Bohr magneton is the magnetic dipole moment of electron revolving in first orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay. Bohr magneton is the magnetic dipole moment of electron revolving in first orbit of hydrogen atom. Its value is 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 ampere meter square. Right? Next, you will be having one more question. What is gyromagnetic ratio? Write its value. Okay. So gyromagnetic ratio means you have capital M as EVR by 2 and L is equal to NH by 2 pi. So now taking the ratio of M by L, you will be getting M by L is equal to EH by 4 pi m, that is M value, we are taking this value EH by 4 pi m into 2 pi by NH. So after simplifying this, you will be getting E by 2 m. So here is E stands for charge of electron, M stands for mass of electron. So the ratio of charge of electron to mass of electron is called specific charge of electron. The ratio of charge of electron to mass of electron is called specific charge of electron. So now we are taking M by L, that is nothing but ratio of magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron to its angular momentum is equal to specific charge by 2. So now M by L is equal to this specific charge. Means if you substitute the value of E and M values as charge of electron and mass of electron, you will be getting the value as 1.759 into 10 power 11 by 2. So after simplifying, you will be getting the value as 8.8 into 10 power 10. Okay. So 8.8 into 10 power 10. Now the ratio of magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron to its angular momentum in first orbit of hydrogen atom is called as gyromagnetic ratio. And its value is taken as 8.8 into 10 power 10. Okay. So this is the topic where we have learned today.